Today, in this segment of Bar Tools, I'm going to discuss our garnish tray. Now, there's a few different names for this: garnish tray, condiment tray, fruit tray. It's all the same thing. It looks like this, and you're either going to have 4 slots for garnishes or 7 usually. But there might be some oddball ones out there that have more or less. Now, the inserts are going to look they look just like this. They're round on the bottom, and they contain usually for your lemons or limes about 2.5 to 3 whole lemons or limes, and then obviously for cherries as many as you can fit. What's really cool about these is that they are removable. You can put ice in the bottom of the tray, so that way you're able to chill your condiments or your garnishes throughout the night. And at the end of the night, obviously for storage, you can simply keep your garnishes in there, place a napkin over the top, just a bar nap, and then just hose it down with your soda gun, so that way you create like a nice seal. When you stick that in the freezer or fridge, it's going to keep your condiments fresher longer. So this is definitely an important piece to have behind your bar, specifically for high volume bartending, and just be familiar with it.